Your brain is so like so. It wasn't so long ago where I was just scrolling all day, every minute I had spare. All I was doing was getting absolutely sucked into social media. And I had no choice. It felt like there was no option other than to just scroll. And when you start, we all know how hard it is to stop. And even if you do stop, what happens is you stop. You put your phone in your pocket, but then like 20 seconds later, your body reaches into your pocket, grabs it and starts scrolling, almost unconsciously. It's messed up. Now, the way to know that your brain is messed up is also a part of an exercise I developed to help you realize how messed up it is so that you can stop. And what this exercise is you put your phone down. You can even do it while you're watching this video. Put your phone down in front of you and still listen to the audio. Close your eyes and try to not think about anything. You will have to do this after this video is done because I want there to be absolutely nothing. But you can sort of start it right now. You think about nothing, and then obviously thoughts will creep in and you push them away. But you start to get anxious. When you do nothing, you start to get very anxious. And this is the part that's messed up. Ready? What you're going to do is you're going to grab your right hand or your left hand, depending on which is dominant. It's the one that you scroll with, essentially. Grab that hand and you're going to put it in front of you as if you've got your phone in front of you. And you're going to make this movement with your thumb, as if you were scrolling. What's messed up is that movement has been shown to stop making you anxious. It's a coping mechanism. It's not because you want to do it. It's because it calms you down. It's the same as a smoker. It's the same as a heroin addict. It's the same as a lot of addicts. We're in a new age. It's messed up. So, where do you go from here? I have a degree in psychology, by the way, so I'm not completely delusional. This is a real thing, so believe me. Where do you go from here? The first step is to be one with that anxiety. So feel it. What does that feel like? So when you sit still and you put your phone down, notice how it feels to not be doing the thing that you want to be doing, scrolling. And you're going to sit there with that emotion and just really notice what it feels like. It's going to suck. Like the first minute or so is going to suck. But let it feel. Genuinely just let it feel. And just sit there with that emotion. And what's cool about this is the emotion goes away. That feeling and that magnetism toward scrolling just goes away. Now, when you first do this exercise, it's going to be very hard at the beginning. It's going to be insanely hard because your body is like craving to just grab your phone. It's mental. But what you have to do is you have to stick at it. Just do it once a day, every day, for a few weeks. And then as you get better at it, you'll stop to need your phone as much because you're taking control over your body's emotions. And then eventually what's going to happen is you're going to realize that picking up your phone and scrolling is the start of the anxiety. It used to be the fix, but now it's the problem. So what happens is you realize that using your phone is a bad thing. And then you only start to use your phone for calls and messages. It's a beautiful thing. And then life becomes awesome. I was in that rabbit hole of scrolling and nonsense for so long. And I'm so glad to be outside on the other end. And I hope this one thing can help you realize how messed up it is, how to kind of fix it, and to be on the path to a better life. I try to make this as quick as possible because I want it to be watched by as many people as possible. Thank you for watching.